Howdy, I'm attorney Rick Davis. I'm the founder of Rick Davis and Associates, a law firm in Bryan, Texas. Today, I would like to talk to you about probation in Texas. There are essentially two types of probation in Texas. There's what we lawyers call straight probation, and there's also what is called deferred adjudication probation. The very word adjudicate means to find someone guilty. If a person is put on deferred adjudication probation, that means that they're put on probation without a finding of guilt. If they successfully complete the probationary period, then the case is dismissed and they could truthfully say that they've never been convicted of that offense. It is often used for first-time offenders or persons who are accused of crime, but there are several mitigating circumstances. Now, straight probation is different. It's not as good as deferred adjudication probation. In straight probation, a sentence is imposed, but then the judge suspends the execution of the sentence. For example, if John Doe was accused of assault bodily injury and he was going to receive straight probation, the judge would say something like, "Mr. Doe, based on your plea of guilty, I find that you are guilty of the offense of assault bodily injury. I assess your punishment at 365 days in the Brazos County Jail. However, I'm going to suspend the execution of that sentence. And if you successfully complete the probationary period, you will not have to serve any time in jail." Now, that's different from deferred adjudication. If John Doe was to receive deferred adjudication, then the judge would say something like this: "Mr. Doe, based on your plea of guilty, I find that the evidence is sufficient to find you guilty, but I'm not going to make a formal finding of guilt. Instead, I'm going to place you directly on probation without a conviction and defer the decision as to whether to adjudicate you or not. If you successfully complete the probationary period, the case will be dismissed and you can truthfully say that you've never been convicted of this offense." That is essentially the difference between straight probation and deferred adjudication probation. For more information, please contact us at attorneyrickdavis.com.